We're painting the boat.
We're good to go. Sand all day, Mose. My arms are broken. Long day at work. Thank you, crew.
She was old and neglected, so we cut her to bare holes and built her up from the ground with our blood, sweat and tears.
So follow our journey as we plan to sail her to new destinations and make lasting memories. Hey guys, so welcome back to another week's episode of Sailing Lady Africa. It's been a kick-ass week. As you can see, the place is in a mess, and the reason for that is we've been working our asses off until freaking like 10 o'clock at night. We've got lights on the boat, so we're working now. We want to get the interior finished.
Alright, so we've been having this competition to send this surprise parcel anywhere in the world.
Yep.
And if you feel like you got the answer wrong in the previous episode and you would like to have another go at it, here's another hint. And the question was, what is Mo's favorite power equipment, power tool, whatever you want to call it? So if you haven't answered or gave the wrong answer, leave a comment below. Please do not try apply twice with the same name because I can see you. Don't do that. Hope you guys enjoy this episode.
Give feature me.
Hope you guys enjoy this episode. And it was a good one.
Yeah.
We were freaking busy. How long did it take to spray paint the boat? 10 hours.
Yeah, more like 12 hours with excluding prep that we did.
Yeah, excluding prep. So it was a hectic job.
Yeah.
We were sweating like this.
It was intense.
If you would like to support our production and help us out with this beauty, join our patrons family. If you would just like to make a one-time donation to us, which we will greatly appreciate, you can do so via our PayPal. And that's about all I'm going to say. So cool. Enjoy the episode, guys. Cheerio. Adios. Light, camera, action.
Is that it?
So Luke has gone home and we are going to go and, drum roll, paint what are we painting?
Painting the boat.
We're painting the boat. And then it's going to look brand new and it's going to be awesome.
We started off by prepping the hull and deck, which consisted of hours worth of sanding, the least favorite pastime for us three, and we went through a heap load of sanding discs and had to exchange out our sanding pad.
So if anyone ever wonders how much sanding we do, we got these sanders, which is the Bosch 125mm diameter. The 150s we would have probably gone to that, but this is much cheaper. I mean, these are like $100 each, and the 150s are about, I think, $200 and something each. So it was more than double, but we've used a heap load of them, and this is the fourth set of these pads that we're changing out. Machines have really worked well, so just for those of you that are interested in doing some sanding work and whatnot on your boat and want something small, compact, they do come with filters that we sometimes put on depending on what we're sanding. Otherwise we just plug in the vacuum machine. But these have been great little machines. Now, when you buy the machine, definitely order an extra pad with it, because they last long, but I mean we do over, I think we do about 50 to 80 sanding discs per pad, maybe a little bit more than that. So you can see that's what our old ones look like, and that's what our new ones look like. Now we're good to go. Sand all day, Mose. That's all we're gonna do the whole day. Sand, sand, sand. We've got the Dodger mounted, and now what we're doing is busy sanding every last little bit of the boat. We've already done all the decks, the sides have been done, and me and Moses are going to tackle now inside the cockpit and do some fairing also today there, and tomorrow it'll dry and we'll do the final sanding. There's a couple of spots there that didn't come up perfect. We'll do some fairing in there. All of this has already been primed, so I want to get everything sanded. That's going to get sanded because we're going to paint it, and we just need to sand every last little bit of the boat and sand all of that. There's coming some new covers in there so we can spray, and then we can start fitting in all the new gear again. So a quick overview of what we've been doing. We've been running, we did a big test piece over there just to get an idea of how it's going to work and how we're going to do it, what's the method that we're going to do. So the green where it's running, that's all going to be texture coat, and the reason we want it like that is because it's quite a large area and it's really slippery when it's high gloss, and so we'll paint all of this at once. We're going to wash it down, degrease, and then acetone clean everything before we do the final painting. Super happy with the Dodge. It fits like a glove. As you can see, the whole cockpit has been sanded down, and we're sanding along the edges. I'm busy sanding the deck, and Moses is busy sanding the sides. But we're going to move on to the deck now and start prepping all the decks of the Dodger. So we've got a lot of area to cover that hopefully we can do it today.
The sanding felt like it was never going to end.
So after months of preparation, we are finally ready to get some paint on. This floor, since we've sanded it, is super slippery once it even gets a little bit of water, but we want to wash the entire deck down with some degreaser, get everything degreased, and then acetone wipe everything. We're going to do section by section and slap some paint on it. We're doing the decks with the roller, and the reason for that is because we're going to take a texture coat at the end. So we're not too critical about how smooth it gets, because the texture coat will cover all those areas, and then the spraying will be for all the smooth sides.
Once sanding was done, she got a thorough clean and got taped up.
That's how I get that radius done. So now we're going to do it everywhere, and then we're going to give it a coat of epoxy to seal in and keep moisture and water and all of that out of the base.
And then we laid down our epoxy primer.
End of the day, freaking tough day today, but the Hulk has got his green coat on, and tomorrow we put the white. It'll cure overnight.
Got the green tank. Today's paint day. When I say paint day, I mean we're gonna paint her white, so no more green tank.
And then our white 2 parts polyurethane paint got applied. It was time for a quick lunch break.
No more green or blue.
That's white.
Ricky also epoxied in our solid fiberglass deck cheek block razors. Prepping up the boat to paint her. We're gonna use a spray gun to paint her. We have to sand her, clean her, wipe her down, and then hopefully PE is where they can hold out with us and give us time to paint. But unfortunately the wind always blows here and the forecasts are a mess. It's never accurate. So we're hoping we can get at least a little bit of a break somewhere and just do some painting and take it from there. We did also manage to find an engine, so you guys will see that coming up in a few episodes from now.
And then more sanding occurred. It really was never going to end.
My arms are broken.
I want to see that cloth when you're done wiping. That big
You don't even need
over there.
you don't even need to spray a guide coat with all the dust. With all the dust that's in this place coming from that wall. Put the automatic guide coat down for you.
As you can hear and see, Ricky and Moses are busy scrubbing the decks and the rest of the boat because we are officially done sanding. We're washing the boat, then we're going to tape it up and then start our painting process if the weather holds up and allows us to.
And then it was spray paint time. Unfortunately, I couldn't get too much footage as I didn't want the camera to be a Dalmatian. We applied 3 generous coats of white 2-part polyurethane paint. Thanks to Basil for being a huge help. And just like that, she was beautiful.
Long day at work. Thank you, crew. Cheers. Legends.
Cheers.
Cheers.
The tape then got removed and now she was beautiful, white and clean, although it wouldn't last that long with our manganese ore. Stay tuned till next week where we start installing our deck fittings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe below if you haven't already and give us a big thumbs up because it helps us out a lot. Share this with your friends and family as well. We appreciate it. If you would like to join our awesome patron family, a link is provided in the description below. If you would like to make a one-time donation towards Saving Lady Africa, a link is also in the description below.